Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you how to set different wallpapers on dual monitors on Windows PC. Windows 10 and 11 has built-in support for displaying different wallpapers on multiple monitors, so this is just a matter of changing some settings. To configure different wallpapers in Windows 10 and 11, follow the steps. Open the Start menu. Select Settings. Select System. Click on the Display tab. This shows you the menu for configuring your PC's display, including multiple monitors. Once you have the display menu open, you can set your monitors as duplicate, extend, display 1 or display 2 and set them to the appropriate resolutions. Next, navigate back to the Settings menu and select Personalization. This opens up a menu of settings you can configure to customize your PC. Click the Background tab. This pulls up the Wallpaper Customization menu for Windows PC. Right-click on one of the wallpapers you want to set to. Ordinarily, clicking on an image in the background menu will automatically set it as the wallpaper for both monitors. By right-clicking on an image pulls up a list of more options. Select Set for Monitor 1 or Set for Monitor 2. This will set the image as the wallpaper for one monitor, allowing you to select a different image as the other monitor's wallpaper. If you have more than 2 monitors, you'll see options for them here as well. Once you're done, your new configuration will be all set. This covers how to set different wallpapers on Windows PC. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.